The new Squarespace link editor has been a game changer. Now, at first, I didn't like it. I thought it was really weirdly set up. But after getting to grips with it over the past sort of week or two, I've come to really, really enjoy it. And it's been a breeze when I'm updating client websites. So I'm going to show you how to navigate it, all the different types of links you can add, and then how to make those changes live on your website. So first off, we need to see where we're going to add a link. So we go into edit and you bring up your dashboard here. And then we've got one link here, but I'm going to show you it from scratch. So let's just scroll down. We'll create a new section and we'll just use this. And let's say we want to add a link to introduce. So we highlight introduce and we click our link icon. And that's going to bring up this new tab. And then what we need to do is select URL, file, email, or phone. Let's just keep it as URL for now. However, it does actually auto-detect phone numbers or emails. So if I was to put in my email, sam@bycrawford.com, it's actually going to bring up email here and it's going to auto-detect. And then we can specify whether when someone sends an email, it CCs someone in or BCCs someone in. Subject, body, etc., which is really cool. And again, if we just go back here and then we start to type out a phone number, it's going to detect phone, so you can send a phone or a text message, which again, really cool. However, let's say we just want to add a standard link to a standard web page. And we put google.com. Nice and easy, and it's going to automatically have open a new tab enabled. Great. Just hit enter. There we go. Now, if you want to edit that, you just do the same thing. You highlight, it's going to bring up the link and then edit. Now, if we do /, so to link to an internal page like this, and then we go home, for instance, it automatically switches off open link in new tab, which is a really, really nice feature because a lot of people will sometimes swap the link that they have, and then they have an internal link opening in a new tab or an external link not opening in a new tab, which is all terrible for the user experience. So this goes some way to negate user error. In fact, it goes a long way to negate user error, which is great. So to recap, let's start again by removing. This is a good opportunity to show you how to remove. You click, remove link, and done. So let's do a recap. You highlight the word, you click the link, you specify which of the 4 you want, you type in whatever you want to link to, whether that's an external link or an internal link or a phone number or an email, whatever it may be. Just because I haven't actually addressed it yet, you can do a file. And then here you can upload your files. So you click this and then you can upload. Or you can see all of your uploaded files in here, which is a massive, massive upgrade yet again. So those are the 4 types of links you can add. Once you're happy, all you need to do is hit enter, hit save, and then you're done. So hopefully that's a comprehensive enough walkthrough for you for the new link editor on Squarespace. If you found it useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to design your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.